Now for converting repeating decimals into fractions. And there's a clever trick for this. I'll walk you through it. For example, let's say we want to convert 0.4 repeating 0.444444 into a fraction. How do we do it? Step 1, give the decimal a variable name. Say x equals 0.444444. Step 2, multiply both sides by a power of 10 that leaves the decimal part the same. Well, we'll do two different examples here. First of all, if we multiply both sides by 10, we get 10x on the left, and on the right side, multiplying by 10 moves the decimal point just 1 point to the right, and it turns it into 4.444444. What I want is, we want everything after the decimal to be the same for both of these, and that happened. Step 3, subtract the original equation from this new equation. That is, take your 10x equals 4.444444, and then take your x equals 0.4444 and subtract them. 10x minus x is 9x, and 4.444444 minus 0.444444 is just 4. And so 9x equals 4. Divide both sides by 9 and you get x equals 4/9, but x is what you wanted. So 0.4 repeating is 4/9. We'll do one more example in this video. Convert 0.83 into a fraction. Step 1, let some variable a equals 0.838383 forever. Now, if we multiply a by 10, we're going to move the decimal place over 1, and we'll get 8.38383838, and we can't do this subtracting and having everything go away, because 8383883 minus 383838 is not just 0. So we don't do that. What we do instead is we multiply by 100, because when you multiply by 100, the decimal moves over 2 places, and now we have the 0.838383 again. The general trick is, if you have 2 digits repeating, you're going to have to multiply by 100. If you have 1 digit repeating, you only have to multiply by 10. If you have 3 digits repeating, you're going to have to multiply by 1,000, and so on. So, from this 100a, we subtract 1a, we subtract by a on the left, we subtract by the equivalent 0.838383 on the right. On the left, we get 99 a's. On the right, we just get 83. Divide both sides by 99, and you get a is 83/99, and that is in fact what you have, what we wanted. And real quick, maybe you notice the pattern, maybe you can figure out the pattern. 0.4 repeating is 4/9, 0.83 repeating is 83/99, 0.125 repeating is going to be 125 9/99, 0.0137, 0137, 0137, that sort of thing is going to be 0137 9999, but we don't usually write the 0 there. Maybe that was too complicated. Maybe if I say 0.72051, the whole thing repeated, that's going to be 72051 divided by, what, 5 nines. It's a nice trick.